Hi everyone, I am Dr.S.Sugantha Priya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Full Stack Web Development, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. This roadmap is going to represent how SNS has successfully combined design thinking and artificial intelligence to create a culture of continuous growth, innovation, and impact. That is a transformative journey from chaos to excellence through a design thinking and AI powered innovation. Every great transformation begins with a challenge. In our early days, we identified several pain points. Processes were not streamlined, coordination was limited, and the communication among the teams lacked consistency. These challenges revealed underlying gaps but also gave us the opportunity to reimagine our systems. We realized that innovation doesn't start with perfection, it starts with reflection. It was during the time we decided to move towards a purpose driven innovation model that values empathy, creativity, and adaptability. In most organizations, solutions often cater to the common man model, broad, generic, and impersonal. So, we understood that such approaches fail to bring meaningful differentiation or real connection. That's when we adopted design thinking as our foundation for innovation. Design thinking emphasizes a human centered approach, understanding the needs of people first, defining the right problems, generating ideas creatively, prototyping rapidly, and testing effectively. At SNS, we integrate design thinking into everything we do, from academic design to institutional strategy. It allows us to emphasize with students and community members, ensuring every innovation adds value. So, through this, we move from the delivering common solutions to creating custom experiences that truly resonate with our stakeholders. Next is a framework and culture. Once our mindset was ready for innovation, we need structure to sustain it. Innovation without framework can lead to confusion. That's why SNS built a strong foundation based on culture and framework. So we introduce four key models that define our institutional DNA. The 3P culture focuses on aligning process purpose, process, and people with our mission and values. The 3C framework strengthens attitude, logic, and technique to ensure structured growth. The five pillars of growth: learn, upskill, innovate, network, impact, and guide every learner's journey. And finally, Spine, our ecosystem of 18 clubs, support holistic development and wellness. Together, these models ensure that innovation becomes a habit, not one time effort. Next is a 3P culture. The 3P culture is a central to the SNS way of life. The first P, purpose, ensures that every action we take aligns with our institutional vision and mission. Nothing is done without clarity of intent. The second P, process, emphasizes having transparent, well defined, and repeatable system. This reduces chaos and increase accountability. And the third P, people, recognizes that the transformation happens through people and not policies. We invest in our faculty and students through training and leadership programs and ownership opportunities. When the purpose gives direction, process gives structure, and people take ownership, excellence becomes inevitable. This balance of clarity, system, and empowerment drives everything we do at the SNS. Next is the 3C framework and five pillars of growth. Our 3C framework acts as an intellectual engine behind our process. It begins with attitude, next is logic, and finally technique. Uh, Next is the five pillars of growth. So the five pillars of growth are learn, upskill, innovate, network. Through learning, developing a strong academic foundation; through upskill, gaining competencies beyond the syllabus; through workshops, certifications, and internship; through innovate, creating real-world projects and research solution; network, building a strong connection with mentors, peers, and industry experts. Next is the impact, making difference through social responsibility, entrepreneurship, and communicative community initiatives. So this multidimensional growth model empowers that our learners to evolve into thinkers, innovators, and leaders. Next is the growth and innovation. Having built a strong culture and structure, we shifted our focus to growth and innovation. Through the innovation 7+7 model, we created 15 industry clubs that promote domain-specific expertise in IT, business, engineering, healthcare, and many more domains. So students work closely with industry professionals on real-world projects that encourage collaboration and critical thinking. We also introduced Gen AI Enablement, a comprehensive program that prepares students for AI-driven future. It includes AI teaching modules, structured learning roadmaps, hands-on projects, and creative hackathons. So, along with this, our certified talents initiates help students earn globally recognized certifications, ensure that they are ready for modern industry on demands. Together with these initiatives, make SNS a hub for next generation innovation, skill, and development. Next is a Gen Enable Enablement, AI powered future. Artificial intelligence is reshaping every field, and SNS is the leading way with our Gen AI Enablement initiative. This program includes four strategic components: teaching, which is going to provide a comprehensive AI education and exposure to the latest tools and technologies. Roadmap, it is going to offer a clear step by step learning pathway for AI proficiency. Next is the project, enabling students to apply a concept in real world context by building an innovative prototype and models. And hacks, by organizing AI hackathons that inspire creativity, teamwork, and fast paced problem solving. So through this initiative, our student doesn't learn about AI, they create with it. So this goal is to transform every learner into a digital innovator who combines intelligence, empathy, and imagination. Next is the excellence and creation. Our roadmap cumulates with excellence and creation, where innovation turns into impact. We implement smart OKR goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound objectives, making progress transparent and rewarding. Continuous improvement is a part of our culture, ensuring that every achievement leads to our new aspiration. Our most ambitious initiative, that 1000 AI Startup Mission, aims to incubate and launch 1000 AI based startups in 10 years. This bold vision promotes entrepreneurship, builds an innovative ecosystem, empowers our students, and become creators of change. All of this is driven by a growth mindset that believes that abilities can be developed throughout our effort and learning. At SNS, design thinking and AI work hand in hand to shape thinkers, innovators, and leaders of tomorrow's. So, from chaos to excellence, our innovation roadmap is a testament how a vision, culture, and creativity. Thank you.